Okay, so question 64. Let's look at this again. Just to give ourselves some space over here. Let's actually get rid of all of this. Clean away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Just see, I've never really noticed what this does in my pen over here. Okay, right. So 64 Jarvis. 64 Jarvis. It says here that Jarvis produced 24,000 units of product X using 18,000 labor hours. So it actually used 18,000 labor hours. That's what actually happened, right? And they produced 24,000 units. So that's the output. The standard cost of labor is £8. So the standard, right? So I should use £8 an hour. So look at this. I should use I'm all about the inputs, right? That's just kind of I'm just putting that information there of 24,000 units. So you should have spent on producing these 24,000 units, or you should have spent on your 18,000 hours if you want to look at it that way. You should have spent 18 times 18,000 8 hours times 18,000 hours, and that should have been you should have spent 8 times 18,000, and that's 144,000. You should have spent 144,000 pounds. The question says that you are 7,600 adverse, so you spent an extra 7,600. So an extra 7,600 takes us to 151,600. So you actually spent 151,600. I mean, that's the actual cost for July. That's just simply what's going on. You spent 7,600 more than you should have. I mean, that's your standard. It's probably going to be up there somewhere, right? All I have to do is divide 151,600 by 18,000, and I'll get some figure here, 8 point something, I'm sure, and then that will just be that. So that's what actually happened in the end, isn't it? Um, because this is just looking at the actual cost of labor, if you like, for July. It's not asking for efficiency variances per se, or at all. It's just wanting to know what was the cost of that labor, given that it is 7,600 more than what we were expecting. Cool, and that is question 64.